This dance starts with weight on your left. You're going to take your right foot, you're going to rock forward. You're going to take your right foot, you're going to rock back. Then you're going to step your right forward. You're going to do a half turn. Then you're going to do a shuffle with your right foot. Then you're going to step and rock forward with your left, rock back with your left. Then you're going to do a quarter turn with the left foot, and then step your right foot down. Then you're going to take your left foot, you're going to cross over, and you're going to do a shuffle. At that point, then you're going to do a grapevine, bring your right back around. You're going to do a grapevine to the right, step beside it. Then you're going to do a left step, touch with your right, right step, touch with your left. Then you're going to do shuffles for 3 shuffles for a 1 1/4 turn. So you're going to do a quarter turn shuffle, a half turn shuffle, and then another half turn shuffle. You'll be facing that wall when you're done. So the shuffle, quarter turn, then a half turn, then another half turn, and now you're at this wall. You're going to bring your right foot up, you're going to stomp, and then your left foot stomp. Then you're ready for the next section of the dance. So you're going to go out with your, point out with your right foot, right heel, left foot, left heel, and then 2 right heels, and then a left heel, right heel. And you're going to bring this back on the and then you're going to do a 1 with your forward on your left, and then you're going to do a half turn shuffle the other direction. So half turn shuffle. Then you're going to do a quarter turn. You're going to slide that left foot, and then you're going to do a coaster step so your weight's back on your left, and you're ready to start with the top of the dance again with that rock forward. There is a bridge in this song. So you have your first 2 8-count sections. You're going to do that on the 6th wall. Then you will skip over the next 2 8-count sections to the 5th section, or the 33rd count in the dance. And you're just going to go on from there.
Okay, the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The bridge starts on the 9 o'clock wall, and so we're going to do those counts. So we're going to do the first 2 sections, and then we're going to skip section 3 and 4, and then do the 5th section. So we'll just walk through those counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you would just start the dance over.